In this video, I'm going to teach you how to pair Razer Hyperpolling Dongle. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have the Razer Hyperpolling Dongle, you will be able to reach very high speeds with any compatible Razer mice. Keep in mind that not all Razer mice will be compatible. However, if you know that for sure your mice is on the list of compatible devices, then you will be able to do this by using Razer Synapse. So keep that in mind. You will need to use Synapse to configure the dongle. And if you aren't sure if your mice is going to work, then just follow these steps and you will be able to confirm it. So to pair a device, open Razer Synapse and make sure that the hyperpolling dongle is connected to your PC. Usually this will be done through any of the available USB ports on your machine. Make sure that it is properly connected and the dongle should appear immediately on the list of devices that you have inside of Razer Synapse. So just click on the Razer Hyperpolling wireless dongle, and immediately upon doing this, you will find the pairing utility. This is where you will be able to manage all of your devices. So choose the pairing utility, and you will see this screen. With the Razer Hyperpolling wireless dongle, you can pair a compatible device to get higher levels of performance. So you can view the compatible devices if you aren't sure, or just choose the add option to check right away. When you choose add, the first thing that you will have to do is switch into 2.4 GHz mode. So if you look at the bottom of your Razer mouse and you notice that there is a toggle between something like Bluetooth into 2.4G, or if it is set to off, then you have to make sure that you put it into 2.4G. This is the only option that's going to work. Once it is set to 2.4G, make sure that you follow these guidelines. Ensure that the device is not connected via a USB port, so disconnect it if you are using a direct connection. Remove the device dongle if it is connected to the system, so make sure that it isn't plugged into any available USB port. And next, keep the device in close proximity of the dongle, so make sure that your mouse and the dongle are close between themselves, at least for this connection step. Now, press and hold any key on the device for it to remain discoverable. So you can press the left click, for example. And once you press it down and you put it in close proximity of the dongle, you will be able to select it. So here are some examples of compatible devices: the Razer DefAdder V3 Pro and the V2 Pro. But there are various different ones that you can choose, and once you select a specific one, all that you have to do is choose pair. You can use the same utility that we just used here to unpair the device in the future. I hope I was able to help you on how to pair Razer Hyperpolling Dongle. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.